Okay, this is the coop after we've added the panel, or added what boards we've got. Then you've got around here, I gotta be careful because there's like, it is definitely a construction zone, but we'll have to fill in that whole corner, and then there's pieces.
Well, all this terrain is not flat, so it's uphill there and it comes to here. So I don't really want the rain to run that way, because then it would just come back into the coop. I don't want it to run this way because it would rot out the front. Then I'm going to put a false front on it. So I want to run it that direction, or maybe both directions, because I want a gap in between the two so that she can get in through the sides. So I will say the highest point will be here and the lowest point will be down here.
So you'll be cutting it off and angling it?
Right, now I can use a tool that most guys have. Which is a chalk box. But if you don't have a chalk box, you just use a board. If you got a long, sort of straight board and a pencil. Here's my board, sort of straight board. I can screw it there, but in this case I can hold it. But if you were less reach situation, then you would want to screw it in place and then mark it. Now, I've made those marks. Now I need to cut it, and then I need to take it and do the same thing on the other side. It's got a nail sticking out. So we get an idea what the peak will be. I'll do the same on the other side, and I'll cut this all off. So I'm marking a line, not drive all the nails down, cut this off the top of this. It's not even straight, it kind of goes bowed. And then I'll take it uphill to the other, and then back down to the other end. And then I'll put wood every 16 to 24 inches in between this one and that one. That gives me something to put the tin, whether it's metal roofing or just galvanized tin that you find at old galvanized tin. It gives them some way to get out of the snow. But keep in mind, all these chickens existed before actual people had feed to give them. So they were around 1,000 years ago, or
oh, more than
500
that,
years ago.
millennium.
So they can survive without this. We're just trying to increase their ability to survive against the elements and the owls, the hawks, the foxes, the dogs, the cats.
Everything like chicken.
So everybody likes chicken. Not necessarily fried, but they like it. So we're trying to increase their odds of survival. And hopefully you can pick up and do the same thing. Ta-da.